Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play music in your Audi A4 via Bluetooth. First, ensure your mobile phone's Bluetooth is turned on. Then, access your Audi's MMI system. Navigate to the telephone or media menu depending on your car's interface. Select Bluetooth and choose the option to connect a new device. Once your Audi's MMI is in pairing mode, open your phone's Bluetooth settings and search for available devices. Select your Audi MMI from the list. A pairing code will appear on both screens. Confirm it matches. You may be asked to allow access to contacts. Your phone is now successfully paired for both calls and audio streaming. To play music, navigate to the media section in your Audi's MMI. From the source options, select Bluetooth Audio. Now, simply start playing music from your favorite app on your paired phone. You can control tracks and volume directly through the MMI controls or conveniently using the buttons on your steering wheel. If you encounter any issues, try restarting both your phone and the Audi's MMI system. Sometimes, deleting old Bluetooth pairings from your car and phone can resolve connection problems. Also, ensure your phone's media volume is up and check its Bluetooth settings. Keeping your phone's operating system updated can also improve compatibility.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.